everybody. What's up? We're back. Right? Back. Let's wrap up. Excellent wrap up. Um,
All right, everyone. I hope y'all having a great day. Wow, incredible market, guys. So I kind of feel like my thesis actually kind of worked out pretty nicely here today. So buy the dip was my trade idea, and I kind of feel like worked out the way I wanted it to be. Oh, 1 second, guys. I just want to make sure my chat's working. All right, looks like it's working, so that's good. Excuse me. All right, how's everyone doing today, guys? You guys want to let me know? Do you guys want to let me know? This is Stock Tiger coming to you today. Let me get my head on. Head on the stream, yo. All right, what a nice play. Get some water here. All right, guys. Excuse me, moi. All right, let everybody know on the stream that I am Stock Tiger. It is live in the house, everyone. What is up? Peace in the house, man. Kevin Smith, how are you? Team Schmoke in the house. Justin Wright in the house as well, man. What is going on, everybody? Still working on trying to recover this P account. Really? When did you blow your P accounts? Jeez. Yeah, so guys, man, I got denied on my payouts with Apex. All the requests that I made were all denied. So it's a bit unfortunate, but we can't let that down our trades. So we gotta get going with what we have and let Apex play out the way it wants to. We'll continue to trade as usual. Wow. Dow pretty much at the break even. Nasdaq up about 0.8, nearly about 1%. S&P nearly about 0.5%. Russell, the small cap, are actually 0.5% up. Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, Google looking great to the upside. Meta, Apple kind of consolidating in this range. JP Morgan doing okay. Avgo doing okay. TSM doing okay as well. Nvidia long, that was my play this morning. I did not take the chance. I just could not do it. I kind of missed out. I was trying to get into an options call. I missed out on that trade, so, and also missed out on the Home Depot too. I just couldn't do it, guys. I just couldn't do it. Trying to do both, and I was driving back to the office. Came back right now. Did not feel great, so came back a little early. And yeah, it's been a tough morning for sure on a personal front, but I want to give you guys a little bit of a recap on my trades that I did on my early morning, and also including last night as well. By the way, letting you guys know I got denied by Apex, which is fine. We're not gonna let Apex denials affect our trading. Absolutely not a chance. Absolutely not a chance. Okay, that isn't gonna happen. We know the drill. It got me emotional last year. We don't want that chance. We don't want to take the chances anymore. We got a lot of better things to do than worry about our denials. So we'll just continue trading the way we normally do. But I think Apex, though, I have to be a little more cautious in terms of trying to scale into my trades, because I think I didn't know they have they had a scaling rule, but you were kind of allowed to get in. You were allowed to add to your position on your Apex accounts, but apparently that's, I don't know. I tried to click on that link that they sent to me, but I just could not find that. So we'll see. I'll trade without adding to a position with Apex anymore, and we'll go from there. Oh, it's too late for you. Got it affected? No way. Guys, man, don't let anybody affect you. All right? Don't let anybody, you know, even if it's personal issues, do not let your personal issues affect your trading. If it's going to affect you, you should not trade. Walk away and do not trade, guys. It's very important. I learned the hard way. I learned the hard way, unfortunately. Right? So I think with Apex accounts, I don't think I'm going to be able to add to my position. But the thing is, I haven't changed my trading at all. Like the way I trade Apex has been pretty consistent throughout the entire process from day 1 to day 8. You know what I mean? But they've given me a specific date that I went scaling, right? So it's like, how is that even be possible? Because none of the days have been changed. It's been all the same throughout the entire process. You guys know me. I've always been trading the way I normally do. I don't change anything. It's not like you can change the way you trade or your styles of trading overnight. It doesn't happen that way, right? So it's kind of pretty interesting why they ended up rejecting, which obviously was a very important account for me. But now I do kind of understand what I have to do. I'm going to probably place Apex as a back burner and then try to focus on a lot of other accounts that I've got right now. So last night, Tech Profit Trader was supposed to give me a credit on my extra pro account that I've got, but I did not get that. So I'm gonna have my third Tech Profit Trader pro account soon. Oh shit, I'm already up on this crap. 1 second, guys. Damn, guys, man, I didn't realize I was in my trade on this funding ticks. I'm up how much again? $1,500, man. Damn it. Now I've got to go in and out to kind of like put myself in a better spot. I've got to go in and out to get my to give my profits back. I should have been my funded account. I think I've traded the eval by mistake, so I've got to give back some of this. Damn it, guys.
Order filled.
Can that be any worse?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh,
Order filled.
there you go, guys, man. Damn, it should have been my funded account I was trading. I didn't realize that, guys. Unfortunately, it is what it is. All right, so there we go, man. I did quite a bit of trading this morning. Well, where do we start? Let's start off with the funding ticks here. Funding ticks, man. As you guys can see, this is all my trades that I've made. I did quite a bit of a swing trade as well. So funding ticks. I've got two extra funded accounts coming up pretty soon here. So they're under review for new accounts, new funded accounts. So those are going to be playing. So I'm going to have 4 accounts pretty soon on the funded account. And I also traded my funded accounts on the funding ticks as well here. As you guys can see, I'm up $1,400. So this is where we are at right now on the funding tick. Everything is great so far. I did come down on my I didn't realize we have, what do you call this, the DLL on Tradify. So I'm kind of down on my Tradify account too, which is fine. And then Apex, I have not traded my Apex. I was kind of like on limbo. I was trying to think about what am I supposed to do with Apex accounts. I hadn't traded my Apex yet, so that's one. My funded futures, I just made about just enough to count it as a day. I made $125 on this account, so that's good. So this is gonna be my 5th day, and this is it, guys. My funded futures no longer. I will be able to trade, so which is fine. And then funding ticks looking pretty good. I made all this trade so far, including the funded accounts on here. And I also did I also traded my Take Profit Trader both on evals and the funded account both. So I made about $4,000, but these were overnight swings with gold. Take Profit Trader accounts were pretty much the accounts that I traded for gold. I was trading gold last night into this morning, so that's where I made my profits, bulk of the profits on my 150k accounts. I'll take it, you know. And then I traded this morning, Take Profit Trader Pro account, made about a little less than $500 on that account. So looking good, guys. I've got a 3rd one. I just need a credit to actually activate it. And another one, a big one, guys. Oh shit, I'm already up here. Very interesting, guys. Billanox, I have 4 accounts now. I've got 4 funded accounts with Billanox, guys. So just to give you a little perspective of where I'm at right now on these accounts, the first account with Billanox funded account, I'm at $2,600. So very nicely, consistently trading with Billanox, guys. I told you how I want to get very serious with Billanox accounts, and it's looking pretty good so far. I've been trading them very, very slowly and consistently, and already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in 2 days, it will be 10 days of trading, and so far it's $2,600 of profits on this account. And then I've got another one here. Another one, this is again $2,600 profits on these accounts as well. I made $430 today, and so not bad, guys, overall. And I have the 3rd one, also $2,400. Pretty consistent, you know, throughout the process. You know, I did not really look for a home run trade. It was pretty much a very base hits, and so that's great. And then this is the 4th one that I have right now. I traded today, and I'm still trading this right now in a trade. So this is my 4th account. My goal right now with Billanox is to build, get this freaking funded accounts with Billanox to over 6 or 7 accounts in the next few days. And at the same time, try to get the payouts on my existing ones as well. So far, not a bad looking. Core Wave stock climbs 5% after 6.3 billion cloud capacity deal with NVIDIA. Nice. So there we go, guys. I'm still trading the Billanox one. I'm gonna place my stop here at the break even pretty much. And let me just take 1 off the table right now. I'm down to 4. We'll leave that for hold on 1 second. Let me just put it down there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna just leave it there. Okay, so we'll leave it there. We're kind of like trying to break out of this range with ES. At the same time, we're kind of like we held a nice beautiful spot at 254. We're getting a nice little bounce as well. So this account, I would like to get over to maybe $1,100-$1,200. That would be over 40% consistency, but it's okay. But I like to see this thing get over that level. And then Tradify, I traded by Tradify as well. Tradify, not a big huge trades, to be honest. I honestly did not get a chance to trade by Tradify on a Project X right now as much as I'd like it to be. So I may, if I end up trading all my accounts, this is probably going to be my next one. I'm going to be in line. But it's, guess what, guys, man, it's tough to trade all these accounts like in like not copy trading them all individually, it's tough. I'm having a little bit of a tough time right now. I'll be honest with you. I made some couple of mistakes along the way as well by doing that, but yeah, it's not easy. But we'll get it. We'll get it, guys. So I haven't traded this. I haven't traded my I haven't traded my top step as well. My top step, I haven't traded that too. But this top step is a funny one. What am I supposed to do? Am I supposed to blow this account now? Like, this is like on a 46th day with no red trade. I kind of feel like if I trade this today, this account's gonna go red. I'm end up blowing this account as well because I only have $1,300 drawdown on this. Since July, guys, man. Since July, no red days at all, man. Incredible. Like, this journey has been an absolute monster. Incredible. Now we're in September and halfway through, and no red days. No red days, guys, man. Today's the first one. I'm gonna have to trade this somehow, but getting a little nervous trading this account, to be honest. So gotta be careful on this. I haven't traded this yet. I just did not have the time to do that. Maybe I'll do. Ah, man, I've got to do that today. Probably doing the power hour a little bit later. Oh wait, we are actually in the power hour. All right, so not bad. You know, I've got to trade the Tradify as well. I've got to trade Top Step. You know, I'm trading the Billanox one right now. Billanox one is looking like an absolute monster, man. Billanox today, I killed it, guys. I killed the monster. Billanox accounts, 4 master accounts. Billanox, guys, all looking pretty sharp. 3 accounts over buffer, I think, and I think I should be able to activate another 2 more today. So I probably have 6 accounts by the start of Asia market today, guys. Could be in the cards. I just have to pass a little more. I passed one eval. I may have to pass a little more. I've got some more evals. I think I may have to pass. I passed one here, so that's 53,000. So I may have to pass a little more accounts to make it 6 accounts today. Maybe I gotta do this one, guys. I may have to do this one right here. Let's try to see. All right, maybe this is the one. I don't want this thing to pull back here. I just need what, $240. I probably could end up doing that here. All right, we'll see, guys. I'll try to go long here. Okay, 1 second, guys. Not looking too shabby here, guys. I like what I see so far. Took it down to 3 now. Down to 3. Place my stop here. Spy trying to get a bounce. What is up, man? What is up, everybody? Sorry, man. I forgot to call out on the chat as usual. Fiber Splice Gold, what is up, man? What's good? Nice. Nomad Trades. Nomad Trades, nah. You're better. His Royal Trades, man. What is going on, brother? Hey, guys, man. I just try. You know, I mean, I'm gonna fail at some point, but you know, it's like a continued grinding and just not giving up sort of a spirit. You know, kind of working out pretty nicely. Taking my time, taking it slow. Not trying to YOLO, not trying to go 10 contracts at a time. It's kind of working out in my favor for now. So we'll see. We'll continue that streak or not. We'll find out. What is up, man? Red Candle in the house. Sean Hazel, holding long before you got... how did you do holding long yesterday before you got off the stream? I took it off before I went to bed. I was in profits, but... I went long both gold and NQ, and I took my profits NQ along the way before I went to bed. And then with the gold as well, I was trading gold, but then I also had TP at the same time. So if I would have held if I did not have my TP, then I think one of my funded accounts would have been golden. Most probably would have been up, like, you know, I think about $8,000, man. With the way it's moving, gold, incredible. The gold is an absolute monster this morning. And honestly, I should have held, but you know, I mean, it could have gone the wrong way, and then you'll be like, okay, well, maybe I should have had my TP. You know what I mean? So, Day Trader, what is up, man? Nice. What up, brother? Enik in the house. Kevin Smith, Drink Kit in the house. Time Enigma. Wow, what a beautiful name there. Nemex, what up? Sorry guys, I did not call out your names. Matt Trader. Hopefully I did not lose anybody. All right, guys. Let's see, get a bounce here, 288. So not a bad start to a very important day. So it looks like I'm gonna flatten this trade right here, guys. I think I'm okay with $700-800. I'm gonna log this in, right? I do not want to mess up my account, so we'll just go back to this other one that I've got right now. And looks like my order got filled. All right, looks like this order got filled. So I locked out all my 4 master accounts right now. So I'm gonna have 5th one during the Asian market today because I've already got all the accounts over buffer. I think, if I'm not wrong, I think all of them are over buffer right now. Yeah, they're all over. Actually no. So I've got 2 accounts over buffer. So I do have a chance of making 2 extra accounts today to get above the buffer. Sorry, to get to the master account. So I probably have 6 accounts by the Asian market today, guys. I look forward to that for sure. All right, guys, we're getting a little pullback here, and this is on my Billinox eval account, and I'm trying to trade this to be able to get another account to the masters. So we'll see if you get it, guys. It looks like we're getting a little pullback here. All I really need is $200, so we'll leave it there. 250. Yeah, I do not want to take my chances right now on this account, so we'll leave the Billinox as this, guys. We'll let it do its thing for now. I still think, you know, we push to the upside. We may get some sort of a pullback here in this market, but so far we haven't seen really truly meaningful of a, you know, a crack in this market. So far, no cracks, guys. SPY, well, actually, though, I lied. SPY looks like we are breaking here to the downside. But overall structure, though, it's pretty nice and clean. I'll be very honest. So far, let's take a look at the other stuff. Trading view. Just going back to trading view. I want to take a look and see what the Nvidia is doing right now. Nvidia, what is Nvidia? Nvidia, yeah, Nvidia trying to get a nice little breakout, to be honest, man. Right, Nvidia trying to get a nice little breakout of this pivot here, 177. I think once we break through this, man, this is gonna go all the way, right? That's what I kind of feel. Where's my watch list here? There we go. Apple looking like it's holding. Tesla. Tesla looks like it's 4% up today, right? Tesla 4% up. We may get a little bit of a, guys, man, we may get a little bit of a, what do you call this, a pullback in this market right now, right? It's a higher low, or maybe a pullback right into this zone, maybe for Tesla at $400. And then Nvidia as well, looking like we may get a little pullback as well. Apple too, the same thing. So yeah, let's be careful, guys. Let's be careful. You guys are trading, just be cautious. Right now, I'm long at 283 with my Billinox eval. Let's just make sure that I do not have any other accounts that I'm trading as we speak. I do not have anything else, do I? I don't think so. All right, that's it. That's all I have right now. Man, I really want to trade this Tradify growth one, but I just did not get a chance to do that. Maybe between now through the rest of the day, we still have, what, another 2 hours to go. Maybe we get something done here, guys. We'll get something done. I'm looking for the first real attempt for pullback here in this market. I'm going to also have to place my limit order on my Apex one. Apex. Apex. Well, let's just place my limit order somewhere here. Would be nice if I do that. Okay, so I'll place my limit order right in this 266, right above the EMA. Selling pressure kind of stepping in here a little bit, so maybe SPY retest of 659 as well. Amazon slow grind to the downside as well. Overall it's okay, nothing really too crazy. We are pretty oversold though. RSI sitting in here in the 30s on NQ. So all right, so anyways, I've got my order here at 266. We get a pullback in, that's great. It's gonna fill my order, and then I'm looking for a V-shaped bounce in this market. So you know what, I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. You gotta be patient on this one. I'm gonna be patient today for the rest of the day. I only have to trade what again? I only have to trade Apex accounts, and that's it. Tradify, growth, Tradify, and Apex. These are the two accounts that I've got to trade. I'm pretty much done with Billinox. 4 accounts, 4 master accounts I've traded today, so that's really all that matters at the end of the day. So I've traded Tech Profit Twitter as well. Big banger on my Tech Profit Twitter. Holy mochaccino. So looking good, guys. I hope y'all are having a great day too. I can't ask for any more. I'm definitely happy with what I've got right now. So Dan Amons, man, what up? Tesla pulling back into the gap. Yeah, that is what it kind of looks like. But man, this market has been strong so far this morning, so we'll see, guys. A little patient, trying to be a little patient. We're getting a little bit of a rejection in the SPY here at 66.18. Let's be the power hour now. We still have 2 more hours for this market to close, so some kind of a pullback maybe due, maybe back into the VWAP and the ES, or back into the 6608 on ES, back into this 200-day moving average. Could be in the cards. They're not gonna cancel your PA accounts, happy kids. They're just gonna deny your payout, just like I did. I got denied all my Apex payouts, guys, and that was literally how much again? That's quite a bit of money. That was like over $7,000 rejection there, which is fine. We'll keep trading the way we normally do. So with Apex, I'm gonna have to just not scale anymore and just get into one account, like one trade at a time with 1 mini contract. But I ain't gonna allow these firms to play with my mind, right? The last thing we want to do is get emotional, right? We as a trader, we have to make sure we show our discipline. And no matter how bad it gets with these firms, do not let these guys to come to you, guys. And that is absolutely the most important thing to do. All right, guys, we're getting a pullback here, 283. Down about $200 on this veil. I needed $200. Now I'm down $200. Maybe I should have just showed this market right here. Kind of expected, you know. Things were looking pretty, not pretty, but things were looking a little weak. But just right, my payouts is gonna affect your trading. No, you shouldn't let that happen. Happy kids, man. How's it going? Not surprised. They're clown. Oh. I didn't see that coming. All right. How's everybody doing today, guys? Y'all having a great day? Happy Monday, everyone. It's a great start to the month. Well, not month. A great start to the week. What am I saying? I'm definitely having a long day. I'm definitely having a long day here. Long day. Hopefully it pays off today, guys. All right, so the market is kind of chopping right now. We got an FOMC on Wednesday. Maybe this market's not gonna really do anything truly meaningful. My thought process in this market right now, I don't know if you guys heard me say I like it to the long side last night, and I said, you know what, we may try to squeeze a little more until we get to the FOMC, and then the FOMC may start to bring some big volatility in this market, and that could be the first catalyst to really bring the market down as a surprise, right? So people are kind of thinking FOMC, well, he's gonna rate cut, he's gonna do all the freaking things that we need to bring down the rates. And then all traders are kind of like thinking, okay, well, it's time for long. Close your eyes and just long. But you know what? We may get a surprise. And this is just my thought process right now. I said to myself last night, and I kind of feel like I said this on the stream as well, but we could squeeze into the FOMC, and FOMC could surprise a lot of traders and start to see some some cracks in this market, pull back, and then and that pullback could continue for, I don't know, for a couple of days, couple of weeks, right? And that's what I have in mind right now. So I'm kind of thinking I may have to load in some accounts. When I say loading some accounts that doesn't affect you trading the news, number one, and your ability to take as much as you can. And I think it's funding ticks or top step, because I think the funding ticks you can't trade the news if I'm not wrong. And so the real only option I have is even take profit trader does not allow you to trade the news as well. So I may before we end before we end the day today, I may load in a few combines to kind of like put myself in a spot where I can have a couple more XFAs moving into the FOMC, and try to play the FOMC, guys, on one of my XFA. I may lose my account along the way during that process of the FOMC volatility, but I also have a big chance of a big profit as well. So that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. I was kind of thinking about how am I going to just build these profits, and that's what I came to mind. So I'm still thinking about it. Probably decide what I want to do in the next 30 minutes. Load in a few XFA, sorry, not few XFA, few combines to try and trade during the FOMC. Because if I get $1,500 today now, and if I make another $1,500 during Asian market, and that's gonna be an XFA account by tomorrow morning. So, and FOMC is what again on Wednesday, right? So that's pretty good. Nicholas Gomez, man, what is up? What is going on here? Nothing. It's just all green. Everything's just green. The only bad side today was as soon as I woke up this morning, I got Apex denied, so that's the only thing that's bad. But I mean, overall, pretty decent day. I'll take it, guys. I'll take it. I went down on 2 Tradify accounts that I had on my Tradovate. Went down on those. I hit my DLL. I didn't realize that. I keep forgetting that Tradify is our DLL. I keep forgetting that. So anyways, I'm gonna try and trade combines before we finish the day, and maybe a few Tradify as well on my Project X, and I'm gonna try and see if I can pass this balance right here, guys. I may add to my position here. I'm just not sure where this market's gonna go right here at this moment. ES is kind of playing in that VWAP, but it could be risky here, guys. So let me just move back to like 15 minutes chart for a second. Yeah, if you just take a look from 15 minutes chart, guys, it's yeah, we've got a little bit of resistance here playing out, right? So we got here. I'm kind of leaning more to the upside, even right now as I speak. Unless we start to see some crack here, and this may try to push it down back here into this 227. I don't know if we dip down first before we push back up again. I mean, I wouldn't mind if it dips even right into this 229, because I still have lots of drawdown on this, right? So I can probably just hold it until it ends up blowing my account, to be honest. So what I'm gonna try and do is probably at 242 here, one add here at 242, or if we can get a nice little bounce right here, that probably end up passing this account right now, and then we'll move on to something else. Like I may end up loading in some combines right now. I'm just waiting a few, maybe another 30 minutes to kind of think about what I want to do. We still have like a little over 2 hours to finish the day, so good morning. Perfect play in the house. Michael G in the house. Holy cappuccino in the house, man. What up? How's it going, everyone? Roa trades, green 11 accounts, 1 raid. Holy, great job, man. 11 accounts, green. Oh wow. You got 2 approved, Apex. Nice, man. Great job. I got all denied right now, so that's bad. Yeah, it sucks, but hey, not much I can do, right? Guys, by the way, I will be going live on a more regular basis, but just gotta make sure you guys know that I've got a main channel, right? I've got a main channel, and so I will be going live, especially during New York. I will be start to go live on my main channel. Just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. This is my main channel link. Just make sure you guys are subscribed, and just make sure it is notified, so every time I go live on my main channel, I plan to do that starting this week. So guys, make sure you guys are notified on my main channel, guys. Tradify is going with 30 million giveaways live. Are you kidding me? Guys, man, Tradify is giving $30 million worth of accounts. So just make sure you guys are entering the giveaway with Tradify, guys. This is the time for you guys to do that, right? What is answering a question? Yeah. All right, guys. This market so far, we haven't seen any cracks, man. I mean, no pullback whatsoever right now. It's just incredible how this market just keeps moving in one direction. Incredible, guys. Incredible. This is on a 50-minute chart, and yet it's looking pretty nice. We may get some sort of a pullback, though. I'm expecting maybe a pullback into the 240s. And if we can kind of hold that, we could just continue moving here to the upside. Oh, look at that pullback, guys. All right, so where's my Apex accounts? Let's just put it out there.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I went long with my Apex account, and we'll see, guys. Apex.
Order working.
I plan to do some giveaways, guys, today. Not right now, tonight. It's gonna be an account giveaway. Just not sure what it's going to be. Either Apex or Take Profit Trader. Pretty slow, isn't it, right now? I mean, this market earlier was a lot more volatile, but it's kind of like very slow at the moment. Maybe we get a little bit of a pullback, guys, on SPY. Maybe into the 560s or 559s. Maybe that could be the play. So maybe we have some sort of a pullback here on the SPY. Obviously, that would mean a pullback on NQ as well. Right, so that's what I'm kind of thinking right now. Oh, perfect play. 65. There we go. Guys, man, I'm building my empire. The empire that I kind of need to get payouts every few days. Getting there, guys. Getting pretty close. There seems to be some news coming out from Russia into Poland as well. Incredible, guys. Incredible. I almost kind of feel like this war is never ending. You know, this could be a little bit of a wake-up call for Europe, and you know, it could be the catalyst. You know what I mean? Like, you have this nice, beautiful reasons to give back some of the gains during the FOMC. And there's definitely quite a few reasons why you could actually see a market start to get a pullback. Europe, Russia, and Israel, and the inflation is okay. I kind of feel like the cracks in the labor market too. The economy is not as great. I mean, definitely Canadian economy is just not okay at all. Maybe Perfect Play can actually try to give his thoughts, but I kind of feel like Canadian economy is just not doing okay at all, man. I can't really sense that. You know, all my neighbors struggling every day. You know, it's like, it's you know, it's not okay right now. I just put it that way. Things are getting more pricier. Inflation creeping back up again. The unemployment rate, I think it's starting to really spike here in this region. You know, it doesn't look very rosy. I'll be honest, man. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know how it is in the US, but on paper it looks okay so far. But I kind of feel like under the surface, something's cracking, in my opinion. But we'll see, guys. Maybe the FOMC could be the catalyst to bring this market down, and maybe that volatility may last for weeks or months. Nobody knows. We'll see how that goes. But are we gonna go straight in one line? That's also not a for me, that's definitely not in the cards right now. I don't believe that that's the case. I mean, right now, we hit all-time new high today twice. Twice. We hit all-time new high twice today. Incredible. I'll probably be with about 25 to 30 accounts, funded accounts. Javaz. Sorry, man. Mispronounced your name, Javaz. About 25 funded accounts. Oh, Perfect Play. It's gonna get worse. Yeah, I mean, things. I can smell that. You know what I mean? You can sense that. You know, you've been in this. We've been in this for a long time, right? So we'll see. You know, everybody's celebrating the squeeze in this market, but I don't know how long that's gonna last. Really, to be honest, man, we just gotta be prepared and ready. But you got to be ready and prepared. All right, guys, we're getting a nice little pop here. Honestly, man, that's oh, by the way, let me just take my profits of my Apex one. Where's my Apex account? So many accounts, I don't even know. Oh, there we go, guys. 180 bucks right there off the bat. There you go. $200, man. That's all we need. You know what I mean? Just gotta keep doing the same thing with the other accounts right now. But I'm not really looking for anything big. I'm just really about $100, $150 to $200. That's the most on this Apex accounts. That's really all I'm gonna be asking for right now. Let's take it slow. Oh yeah, I just want to make sure I call out nicely that we will do a Apex account giveaway here tonight. So I'd like to really finish off my Apex trading here today, if I can. Really nice if I could do that today. All right, there we go. Yeah, this price action has definitely not been easy, but I mean, still about 50 to 80 points move. It's not bad after all. Getting a little bounce back up again. I'd like to see this thing call back into this 300 zone. We're barely holding the VWAP on ES right now. Faisal, what is up, man? This price action is worse. Yeah, Faisal, how you doing today? Prof Lucky Trading Hub, man. Thanks for being here today. I mean, still did end up trading a lot of accounts, so I'm definitely a happy camper today. I just want to make sure I manage my risk coming into the power hour and through the rest of the day. Just want to make sure I don't make any silly mistakes and you know, roast one of my accounts. I do not want to be doing that today, but I will still try to buy the dip, guys. That's what I'm gonna plan to do here. I'm gonna still try to buy the dip during that process, right? We are getting a little pullback here, guys. Getting a little pullback here. Man, I had a great trade with my funding ticks funded accounts, man. What a beautiful trade. I made over $1,000 on my freaking trade. It was really good. I like what I did today with the funding ticks funded accounts, man. Amazed. Incredible. Sniper trades. I like it, guys. We're getting a pullback here. Rejection there as well. Let's see if we can actually get a bounce. This is going to be very important now. If you can't hold this, then I think we pull back all the way down into this 242. But then again, I'm going to try and look to go long, and that 242. This could be like what Perfect Play just said on a 50 minutes. Could look like a double top here. We got obviously got a rejection of the ES at 6618. We are just barely hanging there on the VWAP. Let's see. I almost kind of feel like, you know, we got some more downside play. But I'm gonna stay a little patient, guys. We are back into the power hour. We never really truly had any sort of a pullback here in this market, so maybe it's that time of the day to give us that sort of a pullback that we've been waiting for. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are trying to go long in this market today was waiting and waiting patiently, never really got truly any sort of a meaningful pullback here, as you know, during this intraday. Now we may get in there right here. This could be our chance to hop in a trade again. I'm looking for maybe a pullback into the 610, 6610 on the ES, a pullback here 242 on the NQ, and try to hop on a long again on my Apex account, alongside that with the Bullanox eval as well. Oh, lost the funding ticks account. You had 4,000 on it. Oh my god, guys. Oh man, can it get any worse than losing an account that you had over $4,000, man? It happened to me in the past and quite a few times as well. I do a lot less, but I mean, still, it did happen, and the feeling of losing a 4K account, it's incredibly bad. I am so sorry to hear that, Faisal. I hope you are feeling a lot better right now. That's it's not easy, man. Tesla pulling back here, guys. Tesla pulling back here into the 404. May try to fill the gap. Is that what it is? Holy cappuccino, guys, man. Tesla looking now all of a sudden pretty awful. Or is this just merely a profit taking, or what is this? And let's just make sure I'm not in any of my trades, guys. I just want to make sure I'm not in any of my trades right now on any of my freaking accounts. You know, sometimes I have limit orders. I've got stop loss set in place, and you know, I did not even know it exists. So I just want to make sure I'm not in any of my single trades right now, other than Bullanox eval. That was very intentional, so I did not have anything there. All right, so all I have is Bullanox eval, and we are pulling back here, guys, man. Not looking that great. Tesla pulling back, trying to fill a gap in the 400. Deg Wahoo, what is up, man? Justin right in the house. Zabak the Bidget. Very interesting price action so far, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and long here. A quick long here on the oh, there we go. See, I told you, this is what I was talking about. I already had limit order here on Top Step. I did not realize I had a limit order. This, I probably had this a while ago, because I did remember making this, but it was like 2-3 hours ago. Holy mochaccino, guys, man, this is pretty serious. I would have been in deep trouble on that one. All right, guys, I may end up losing this account, to be honest. Looks like we have a pullback and go, or we push it down here. Yeah, I mean, if we end up pulling back here into this 192, this account's gonna get cooked. I want a 50-minute chart too, so it looks like it's a little mistake here. Looks weak. ES is tapping at 08. Wow, that would have been an easy short trade.
Order filled.
And there we go, guys. There we go. I just need to push into the 257s. This is going to be a quick scalp here to the upside. Let's see if we get it right now, guys. Placing my stop at the break even as well right now. Flatten this trade right there, down about 280 bucks, which is obviously could have been a lot worse. I kind of managed to get out of that trade, which yeah, I don't think this sell-off is over yet. I think we got some more juice to the downside, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to wait and see now. I'm still down quite a bit on this freaking eval account that I only needed about $200 now. Suddenly I'm down about 600 on this.
Order filled.
I went short, looking for a pullback here into say 236. Gonna be trying to make about $300 on this trade. Maybe a quick scalp, a pullback could be in the cards right now. All right, I guess I am adding to my position here to the short. Okay, so I don't need to place my stop because I don't really have a lot of drawdown to kind of work with this play, right? So I don't really have a lot of drawdown on this account. So it's either I lose by getting squeezed or we end up making and start building the buffer, the kind of a buffer that I need. But I'm not interested in trying to be cute with this account anymore, guys. You guys know I've been trading this account for like over 45 days, but it's come to a point where I need to now start taking a risk. You know what I mean? So we'll see. If we get a bounce, then that's great. If we get a pullback, then that's going to add to my buffer. So. And I'm going to have to reload some combines here as well so I can try to play the FOMC play. Guys, man, what a balance, man. What a bounce. Man, that would have been an easy 300 bucks right there for me. What the hell, man? Are you kidding me? Serious? Okay, I've only have $1,000 drawdown on this account right now, guys. As we speak. That's a little bit of a bounce, guys, on a 50 minutes chart. I'm on a 50 minutes chart. We're still underneath the EMA. Fuck, man, what a bounce, guys. Incredible. Oh, I could exit my trade. Oh, I can only have two mini contracts on this. It looks bouncy, guys. Bouncy. We kind of held. Man, what a shame, man. I was my first initial trade was the right one. This is gonna be a slow crawl to the upside. Yeah, what a nice, beautiful bounce, man. That was definitely a mistake. $267. Man, looks bouncy to me here. I'm gonna have to flatten this trade. Ugh. I'm gonna have to cut this loose. Ah, what a shame. What a shame. All right, so I'm down about quite a bit on this XFA account. Could be a squeeze here back again. I have to flatten this right here. Damn, no pullback at all. Yeah. No pullback. What a shame.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm long on a couple accounts. Wow, this market is choppy, guys. Really choppy. Difficult to trade. Alright, I'm gonna flatten this trade right here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna flatten this as well.
Order filled.
And I'm going to flatten this as well right here, guys. Not this one, I'll just leave this one here. Place my stop though. Yeah, I knew it. ES is kind of hitting that VWAP too, so.
Order filled.
I guess I'm long Apex. And then, what else is there right now? I haven't been trading the other stuff. All right, this market looking pretty choppy here right now, as you guys can see. Getting a little bounce in Nvidia pulling back a little bit, but Apple looking pretty decent. Tesla trying to find its footing here in this 405, getting a nice little bounce off that low. Microsoft still holding pretty nicely. Google kind of holding. Meta holding as well. Netflix actually pretty good looking. Netflix there. Let's take a look at the gold. Gold, man, what a huge pump here in this gold. DXY pulling back a little bit, which is good for the market. The VIX getting a bounce, guys. And that's what this is what I was talking about. I think a VIX is kind of like getting ready for some sort of a move in this market, guys. You know, I think that's what it is. VIX is getting ready for some move. Usually, when you get this sort of a move in this VIX, you usually have some sort of a bounce, right? You've got here, and you also had here as well, right? So you also had it here as well. So every time you get a bounce in this VIX, you get some moves, right? Something of this nature. Get a bounce share, bounce, and then we may get something like this and this, call back up, hit that resistance at 17.5 at some point. I think VIX is getting ready. Getting ready, guys. FOMC. So we'll see what happens in the next few days. I'm just gonna leave this chart as is for now. And where I'm at right now. Okay, we are getting some sort of a bounce, guys. This could be ES calling back up again. I'm up. Oh man, that would have been a nice little trade on that Apex one. I should have taken my take profit as well, TP at the same time. We are getting a bounce, guys, in this market. Pulling back? Not really. Apex up. Let's see if we can actually continue grinding here to the upside. Just need until 280. Well, 280 is really all I need. SPY got a nice beautiful bounce off that 659, guys.
Order filled. Order working. Order working.
Alright guys, here I am. We'll see how this thing plays out. I've got 2 mini contracts on this trade. I'm looking for a bounce into 280s. Sorry, not even 280s, 278s. Let's see if we get it, guys. The market is sitting at 271. Damn, guys, ES is SPY is looking SPY getting a rejection right below the VWAP. Oh, that could be a problem. Alright guys, I'm still holding. I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna look for a SPY bounce, ES bounce, back into the VWAP.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm taking a stab with the with Tradify account as well. Alright guys, man, down quite a bit on this. Oh man, things are starting to fall apart for Stock Tiger here, guys. SPY pulling back into the 659, back to where it started. Damn. Can't believe that. We got a rejection of the EMA. Let's see if we get a bounce now. It's gonna be important. We get a bounce. I locked out as well, so
Order filled.
I'm trading Tradify as well at the same time. I'm fully loaded on the Tradify. I don't know how many contracts. I think I went for like 4 or 5 contracts, so we'll see how that goes. So guys, let's see if we get a bounce right here, guys. What's the reason for Apex now? It's the scaling in violation. If you go take a look at my Discord, I've posted my denial information on the payout section, so you guys can go take a look and see what the reason is. Alright guys, we are now pretty close towards the end of the day, so gotta be careful, man. I completely forgot that we are halfway through finishing the day. We only have like an hour, so I definitely have to be careful now. I want to be able to exit my trades pretty soon. I do not want to hold on to my trades, but at this level, guys, it's gonna be a lot of risk. Looking for a bounce into the 280. I'll exit my trades and I will take it slow from there. This is not a time to mess around with my funded accounts, so we're gonna look to take profits as quickly as we can on a bounce into the 280s, guys, or maybe even before. I'm not sure. So I am going to try to peel the profits sooner if I can. One second, a little bit more. I would say somewhere on there. Okay, so 278, 276 is where I'm going to be taking my profits off the table. If we get a bounce back into that zone, come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, let's do it. Give it to me. Give it to me, Han. We just call it above all the EMA supports, so maybe we get a little more juice to the upside before we start to get some sort of a pullback in this market. Still got two contracts here, man. ES SPY looking pretty weak here, man. Come on, let's just get a pump here, guys. Let's get a pump and let's get this thing moving. Let's get this moving, everybody. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hit it right now. No! I'm looking for one more pump here into this 280s, man. That's all I'm looking for right now. 280. Spy trying to call back up again. Come on, Spy. Spy, let's go. Come on, Spy. You the man. Wow, look at this, guys. Incredible. Barely holding. Am I on a trade with Bielanox too? Holy mochaccino, everyone. I'm still on my Bielanox one. It's been a long one. I've been holding that for a long time. Alright, yes, a Spy trying to curl back up into the VWAP now. The VWAP sitting, obviously, Spy at 660. We are sitting right now at 659.5. Come on, Spy, let's push it up. Spy's gonna dictate where this NQ is gonna go. It looks so far kind of like it's holding. Spy trying to hold, ES trying to hold. Let's see if NQ has what it takes to get a bounce. Right at this level, back at least into the 280s, guys, man. Not looking for something crazy. All I'm really looking for is another, I would say 5 to 6 points here bounce. Let's see if we get it, guys. Let's see if we get it, guys. We may get a chance of a bounce. I don't know. But it's tough. I'm kind of running out of time. I'm really running out of time right now. I'll be honest. And at the same time, if this thing starts to get some cracks here, that's going to make things even worse. So... Come on, you NQ. Jeez, man, this NQ is having a hard time trying to get a bounce. Holy mochaccino, everyone. Just looking for a bounce in 279. We just can't even do that right now. So this is a big level. Let's see if we crack out of this now. Come on, let's just hit it now. Let's just get it over $100. There we go, guys. I'm out of the straight. All right, guys, I'm out of my trades. All right, let's take a look at the other stuff. This is still down. Jeez, man. All right, so I'm up here. I just need $100. So how much is that going to be? I've got to be up here, back again. Let's take a look and see what is up with this. I'm down to 1 now on this account. All right, we'll lock this in. I don't think I want to be trading this anymore. We'll lock it out. We'll lock it out. All right, so I've got 4 accounts in green. About $400 to $500 traded on my Tradify growth challenge that I've got right now. And let me try to finish off this as well. Down about $300. Let's try to finish this off right now as we speak. Let's just get this over with, guys, so I can focus on something else more important. Time's running out. Time's running out, everyone. Stock Tiger in trouble. Oh, Funding Next has an offer right now, guys. Funding Next has an offer. Oh, that's for their stupid forex. Does anybody know? Does anybody trade Funding Ticks? I'm looking to load some funded Next account, but I wonder if that offers are actually for their forex accounts. Jeez, man. All right, guys. The market kind of choppy. Whew, man. Can you guys imagine? I got out of my trades. Holy mochaccino, everyone. That would have been a disaster. barely trying to hold on to my Apex accounts, and I want to finish this thing off right now so I can get this on, move on to my other stuff. I traded my Take Profit Trader account. I've got I'm waiting for one more Take Profit Trader funded account. I still don't have the credit on that account, so still waiting. I probably get it tonight. Oh man, I traded a whole bunch of funding ticks this morning. Holy, that's a lot of accounts I traded. That's a lot of work. So that's one. We'll get it. Get into a lot of funded accounts, guys. Looking good so far. What up, man? Loans, Mills. You're trading 250Ks? Oh man, I don't know, man. 250Ks are really hard to trade. I'll be honest. I don't like the action. Justin, right? Yeah, me too. Pine Tree in the house, man. What is up, brother? Felon features male gossip is a disease. Select the midget in the house. OZ in the house. Off grid whip in the house. Then Emmons Deg Wahoo. Wahoo or Wagoo in the house. Yeah, man. I mean, $6,500 drawdown is nice, but you could end up losing that, all of them, pretty quickly. So, guys, what is this market, man? I have no idea what this market is trying to do. I need a quick play in this Billinox Eval account. I do not want to waste any more time on this for sure. So we are getting a little pullback in the ES.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can actually ES. I don't know. Let's set all this. I may have to full port this, guys. I want to quickly finish this thing off right now. I do not want to waste any more time. I'm kind of running out of time right here. We only have like 30 more minutes, a little less than that, to finish the day. And I can't be stuck on this weirdo Billinox Eval account that I needed to just to get an extra master account tonight during the Asian market. You have 3,000 your PA to 50Ks. Nice, man. Great job, bro. It's gonna, yeah, try to trade this. Half a mil, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I find the 250K is really hard. I don't think I've ever, well, I passed a few times, but I mean, it's just not been an easy journey with 250s and, you know, the 300Ks. Even the 150s are actually hard for me too. There, guys. All I need is $200. Let's see. All right, guys. There we go. There we go. It looks like I'm gonna get there. $200 is all I need. Let's freaking make this happen right now.
Order filled.
All right. $200 in the holla. Let's see if we can finish that off right now for the stream. Yeah, me personally, I'm just not interested in 250Ks, man. I just kind of feel like I'm wasting my time. Wasting my time, absolutely. I'm happy with getting about you know, 20 to 40,000 every month. I'm happy with that for sure. And if I can make 20 to 40K every month, just with the stuff that I do every day, you guys obviously see me, you know, trade live. You know, I don't like this, honestly. Nothing. I'm gonna ask for more. That's really all I need, to be honest, man. That's like $400,000 after a fiscal year. So And of course, you're gonna end up paying tax and all that, you know. But even after all of that, you know, it's pretty good. That's a lot of money, man, guys. If you just think about it, if you're able to make 20 to 30,000 every month, that's holy cow, man. That's a huge amount. I mean, give or take, you got to take, obviously, you got to account for the expenses that you pay for your fees. But even then, those are very marginal. I mean, obviously, it depends on sort of a traders. But for me to make about 30K a month, I'll probably end up spending only about 3K at most. So that's going to be like 10% of what I've earned. So you're making about 90% of profits. You know what I mean? So that's crazy, guys. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, this is my real big year where I'm kind of making good payouts. The tax is gonna be like, you're gonna have obviously a lot of different things, but probably about 20 to 30% maybe through tax. All right, guys, just need $40 more, guys, to make this a hala, so I can get this moving, guys. Come on, don't be silly now. You can't be doing that right here. You cannot be doing that. Just give me what I need. $6 more. No, come on. $6 more. Guys, don't forget to smack that like, everyone. If you guys are here already, take a few seconds of your time to smack it. Guys, there you go. This is all I needed, guys. We got what we need. You know what I mean? This is all I need, guys. I'm gonna have 2 more extra master accounts by tonight during the Asian market. So I've got 4. I'm gonna have 6, guys. Everything is as per the plan, guys. It's incredible. Thank you so much. We're done with Billionaires now. Freaking get away from me. All right, guys, time for something else. I traded my funding ticks. I don't want to be trading funding ticks anymore. That's a lot of freaking trades that I made on funding ticks. Lots of mucho profit though. In my funding futures, I've done that $225. And what else is there? Take profit trader, man. Now is a banker. The 150Ks. Eval, that's a super duper. I do not want to trade pro accounts right now that we are pretty close to the end of the day. How many more minutes do we really have? We have another 30 more minutes to go for this market to close, and so I do not want to take my chances here, guys. I kind of feel like, you know, we may end up getting a pullback and then maybe get a bounce. So what I'm going to try and do, I can't even scale in, man. Oh, so you can actually scale into Apex accounts, but it's just that you can't be over half. Is that what you're saying? So I don't have anything else to trade other than Ape. Oh man, I don't even know what to do with this Top Step one. I'm down $800. What a silly milli trade with Ape Express one. Maybe it's time to let go. I kind of ran out of sort of a, what do you call this, energy to keep going with this XFA for some reason. Today was the day, the catalyst to be down on this account. Down about $830 now. I only have 475, so any sort of a bad trade I get into, then that's going to obviously wreck this account. Do not have a lot of drawdown to kind of survive either. So I've taken max payout on this account. Really, I don't think I can do any more. You know what I mean? I've taken a lot of payouts on this. I think I've taken probably about how much did I take on this freaking account, guys, man? I think I've taken about 16,000 on this account. I think maybe more than that. I can't remember exactly how much it is, but I think it's about 16,000 on this single account. Holy mochaccino, everyone. That's incredible. Maybe more than that. Maybe about 17 or 18. Somewhere on there, I guess. I'm not sure what to do now at this point. I kind of feel like, you know, we may end up pulling back a little bit and then get a bounce off that low. You know what I mean? I think that we may start to see this move. What I'm gonna try and do is we are already getting a bounce, not even a pullback at all, guys. Incredible. It's gonna be hard for me to try and go long. The SPY looks kind of weak, guys, so we really have to get above the VWAP on SPY to kind of like get some more conviction here in this trade. It's gonna be a little hard for me to hop on a yeah. Hey, Deshambel Michelle in the house. Yeah, I swing gold last night, and so that's where I made my profits on my take profit trader. As you guys can see, I made $7,000, but I already had my TP in place, so it's not like I held the whole move. It was just a small portion of that move that I kind of got, but there was still quite a bit of profits on that trade. So that's with take profit trader, and also did my funding ticks as well, looking pretty sharp. I've got some couple funded accounts that's I'm still waiting to get it reflected on my dashboard. I still don't have the I'm still waiting for 3 funded accounts from funding ticks and tech profit trader. It still does not show here right now because it's still waiting, still getting updated. So I'm still waiting for my credit on my pro account to activate it. So we'll see, guys, man. I think today and tomorrow, I think we're gonna start to see a lot more funded accounts in play. And yeah, so far it's looking pretty good. You know, it's not really about this month. My Apex is what concerns me a little bit, you know, like the fact that I got denied on my Apex account payouts. It's like a little bit of a, you know, where's that account? Where's my Apex one? Oh, it's right here. Okay, so Apex, we are getting a little pullback here, 272. This is what I was talking about the SPY. We just can't get above this VWAP here in SPY, so maybe we get a little pullback and then maybe get a bounce back again. Overall, let's just take a look at this market, guys. The VIX is what concerns me here, guys. As you guys can see, this VIX is trying to get a bounce, right? We're sitting at a little less than $16. We could see this thing get over to $17 pretty soon. I think this is getting ready for an FOMC, right? The VIX is not looking... I can smell something fishy here, to be honest. VIX is trying to curl back up, putting a little bit of a pressure in the equities. We'll see how that goes. So far, it's kind of like, you know what I mean? It's like the VIX is trying to hold. And let's take a look. Apple trying to hold. Nvidia trying to get back. So this is what I was thinking about, right? The Nvidia may try to push, break out, and then get a big fat rejection after maybe a $10 gain right here, and then push it down back into this 173. So this could be the FOMC catalyst right here, right? This is what I'm kind of thinking right now, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I mean, I'm just saying, if I had to make a guess right now, that's what I kind of feel like this is gonna do. All right, I'm gonna try and short this right here. Short. There you go, guys. I showed it right now for a pullback here into I would say 269. Oh dear. Oh dear. Stuck tiger in shambles. In trouble right now. Am I? We're gonna find out, guys. Yeah, looks hit it! Let's go, baby! Come on, bring it down to 268. We could see some pull back here to 268, for all you know. 268 here, guys, is my target. Back down into 268. Now, I mean, I don't know if we're gonna get there, but let's go, man.
Order filled.
Yeah, that got hit, guys. That got hit.
Order working.
Um. All right, guys, we are pulling back a little bit here, guys. I don't know, man. It looks sketchy. I want to be careful on this. Maybe I'll place my order here. Guys, I'm gonna place my order now. I'm gonna go. Oh man, come on, just fill my order, damn it! Oh my god! Gotta be kidding, guys! That would have been an easy $100 trade on that one. Damn it! Yeah, I was just being greedy. But you know what? Never mind. It's okay. We still have another 30 more minutes. I kind of feel like, you know, hold on one second, guys. This could be a little trap here, right? To the upside. ES is barely holding. Spy just can't get above the VWAP too, so.
Order working.
All right, guys, here we go. Nah.
Order cancelled.
This could be a nice little chop here. I mean, honestly, I would prefer it to be a chop range, so I can kind of try to buy the low and sell the rip. You know what I mean? So, no. But I'm just a little nervous about a breakout. You know what I mean? We may break out. Oh, hold on. Am I in any trades right now? No, I'm not. Okay, I'm not. Man, it looks pretty nice to the upside. I'll be honest, man. Look at this playing out. I'm gonna try to pull back first and then get a bounce, right? The ES is kind of holding as well. Not as bad looking ES chart, but barely holding the VWAP, right? So it's gotta be hard. Oh shoot, I've got my limit order here. I didn't know that. I'm gonna get rid of it right now.
Order cancelled.
Because I entered short, guys. Looking for a pullback. I don't know, man. Maybe that's a bad idea. That could be a bad idea. I don't know. I went for it, guys. I'm looking for a pullback here into the 270. Oh, well, not 270s, 260s.
Order filled.
There we go, guys. I added two. I added two down about 150 bucks now. This is gonna be an important trade here. Down about 150 bucks. Oh my god.
Order filled.
There, that got filled there, guys. That got filled. My second one. Let's just get the second one gift. Oh my god, you gotta be kidding everyone. Holy mochino, everyone. Let's scale a little pullback here. Whoa! 4 points. A pullback. How hard can this be, guys, man? Incredible bounce of that EMA. Let's see if we can hold this. We get a pullback here or what? Do we get a pullback here or what now, guys? This could be a little surprise trap. Go. Not as bad so far, guys. This trade, I know I'm down, but I mean, it's not as bad looking. I really like to see this get back into 272s, man. I don't even gonna get it. It's trying to curl up. The market wants to curl up, and I'm saying the market has to pull back here down into 270s, and I may be wrong on this. A little silly trade. The stock tiger going to be wrong on this one. I think we can squeeze over into this 278s as 285s. I think we could see this thing go all the way up. We don't really have a lot of time now. I can't believe this could be the squeeze, guys. Is this going to be the squeeze, or are we going to get some sort of a pullback here before we get a bounce? I still think, you know, we get some sort of a pullback here, guys. I still think, but I could be wrong. Let's take a look at this from a larger time frame. So there we go, guys. Down the 40 bucks, sitting at 280 now. We got a bit of a resistance here in this range. So we're gonna have to wait and see what this market is gonna try and do. I would love to see this thing pull back here into the 270s now, but hey man, looks like it wants to hold. But I could be wrong on this. Alright guys, I'm gonna exit that trade. Down about 40 bucks in this silly trade. Yeah, man, honestly, I don't know, man. It doesn't look like it wants to get any sort of a pullback here. So I kind of exited that trade, but I like to get into one trade though, still. Look at that pullback though, you freaking... Alright guys, I'm long here again. Oh man. I kind of feel like it's gonna dump against me now. Hopefully it doesn't do that. Let's retest the 290 now, guys. Retest the 290. Let's go, baby. Retest the 290 here, guys. Set stock tiger, forget.
Order working.
All right, guys, I'm out. I'm out. Holy mochaccino, guys. That was a pretty, pretty okay. I don't know. I'm trying, but that almost turned out to be a pretty bad trade. Yeah, I'm just scrambling, guys, man. I've got a lot of accounts I've got to trade, and it's like, you know, I'm not copy trading, and I'm just trying to figure out a way to, you know, hit my base hits. You know what I mean? Just come with the base hits on a whole bunch of my accounts. You know, I kind of feel like this XFA is gonna go. This is probably the only account that I kind of feel like I've got to let go. And honestly, I'm not interested in holding this anymore. I think this is gonna be like, it almost kind of feel like this is gonna be holding my bag. You know what I mean? Like, this is the account that was supposed to go live, and I don't really have a lot of balance, so... And I've taken too many payouts on this account, so... This is the only account that I kind of feel like I gotta let go, but I'm gonna try and reload some combines here, guys. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it, guys. I'm still thinking right now, everyone. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Am I gonna short this right here? Absolutely not. You guys know the drill. We only have like, we got a algo in 7 more minutes, guys, man. This is definitely a scary moment. I'm not sure what to do. We don't really have a lot of time anymore. We only have about 50 more minutes for this market to close, and I don't know, man. Pulling back here. I still kind of like it to the upside. I just don't want to get roasted on my trade by trying to be killed with this. The algo candle in about 7 more minutes, and the market closing in about 15 more minutes, and it's like, you know what? Like, what am I gonna try and achieve? What's my goal, right? My goal is to not wreck any of my accounts, and on top of that, I'm thinking about adding some combines here right now as we speak, and I don't even think I have the time to do that. So today's what again? Today's 15th. Today's 15. I cannot add any accounts. The reason why I said combines is because I can't add anything else. Like, my funding ticks is fully loaded, 6 accounts right now, with 3 funded accounts, and Take Profit Trader as well, 5 accounts. Biolonox maxed out. I'm gonna have 6 master accounts by tonight. Traded 5. I'm still working on the evals too. My funded futures. I'm still clearing that last piece of a funded account that I've got. This is gonna be my 5th payout on this freaking funded account. So that is gonna be my last account to be trading my funded futures there. So I guess the top step is really the only one that I can kind of add. And also, there's no consistency rule. Sorry, not a consistency, but there's no rule to not be able to trade the news, right? So I want to be trading some funded accounts during FOMC. And that's why I kind of feel like I need some few XFA accounts with me. Or I may try to YOLO this XFA that I've got right now that I only have like $475 of drawdown remaining. We'll see. It's gonna be a lot of fun, guys, man. Let's take a look at the chat. To Shambil Michelle, just take a look at my payout tab on my Discord. There's I've copy pasted what they've sent to me. So Nate, perfect entry. Thanks, man. Captain Price, born to win. Hey, what is up, man? Don't give up on the XFA. It has it has been good to you. Oh yeah, it definitely did. But I only have like $475 remaining on that account, bro. Like, I kind of feel like, you know, I'm kind of getting a little tired of that account, if you will. You know what I mean? It's time to let go, unfortunately. I'll try. Oh, 5K. I'm not, I don't even know. I mean, honestly, I might as well just start all over again. It's been a good journey with that account, but I don't know if I have the energy to kind of like try to rebuild that account anymore. Maybe I shouldn't have even traded that account, to be honest, today, but you know, it is what it is. Non-profit trader because I'm just too good. I'm not losing accounts. I'm every account that I buy, I keep getting payouts. Like pretty much all the funded accounts that I bought in the last 2 months. You know, I got to like 3-4 payouts on each of those accounts. And then I had one account hit 5th payout and just been too good, you know. I mean, I'm not saying I'm good. I'm just saying I got a little lucky with my funded futures being too good with that firm in particular. And I've been pretty good with Top Step as well. I've been kind of consistent with Apex. Buellanox, I've been obviously pretty bad. I'm just trying to be like the way I've been trading with everything else. Like Buellanox, now I've got 4 accounts, master accounts, and I've been doing really well with this account. And I want to continue that journey. I kind of feel like I could get to 10 accounts with my funded future, with Buellanox Master. So we'll see how that goes. So far, it's been pretty good, solid for the last 3 weeks. I'm gonna really try my level best to get to 10 accounts with Buellanox and try to get regular payouts like every few days. You know what I mean? Like I'm like, take a look, man. This is my funded futures. Sorry, no, I keep saying my funded futures, but Buellanox, man. Look at this Buellanox accounts, man. How solid can this be? And this is the second one. This is my 3rd master account. This is my 4th one. I just got it today and made $800. So I can't be asking for anything more. Very consistently traded on each and every master accounts that I had. I have 4 right now. I'm gonna have 2 more today. And so during the Asian market, you're gonna see me trading with 6 master accounts. Holy mochaccino, everyone. That's like the best thing you can ask for. We are getting a squeeze here. Damn it, guys. Damn it. What is going on with this market, everybody? Yeah, and that's the reason. I am looking for a firm, guys. I'm looking for a firm. I was looking at Funded Next. I'm looking at some couple other firms as well. But so far, I'm not getting the deals. You know what I mean? Can you guys start talking to these guys to get me the freaking deals that I need? Come on. All right. Anyways, hey guys, don't forget to smack that like, man. What are you guys up to? What are you guys up to? All right, guys, we are getting a nice little bounce, man. And that algo is gonna pump this thing, or it's gonna dump this thing right now. We are right in that triple top here, guys. We've been talking about this for a while now, but triple top right here, guys. Are we gonna squeeze, or are we not going to squeeze? This is gonna be an incredible moment of truth. We still have lots and lots of days, guys, for the month to be over. So if you had a bad day today, do not... Oh, guys, look at that. Look at that algo dump.
Order filled.
All right, guys, man. I went long on that freaking thing. I hope I don't get absolutely roasted on that trade. Do not do that to me right now, guys. Do not. Do not. Please. That algo candle, guys, brought this down to 283. Now pulling back here, guys. Holy mochaccino, guys. Am I going to be down on this one right now? Am I going to be down on this one right now, guys?
Order filled.
I've added one more, guys. I could be screwed on this one, damn it. That could be a mistake. Hopefully get a bounce back up again. Oh man, this could be a mistake. We'll find out, guys. I will exit my trade. Obviously, I've got a mental stop here at 255. If you get a pullback, then I'm gonna exit my trade, guys. The surprise algo candle, we knew that's gonna happen, but let's see. This could be the moment here, guys. Oh dear. Oh dear. Stock Tiger in shambles. Yeah, my mental stop probably at 255 here right now. There we go, guys. Hit the EMA support, breaking down. Great job, Stock Tiger. What a way to do this. What a way to do this. You should have shorted this market right at the top. Maybe. We'll see.
Order filled. Order working.
All right, I got two open positions right now. To the long. We'll see what this market is going to try and do, guys. Hit it! Hit my TP on the other one. You've got to be silly kidding me, guys. Hit it! I went long. I've got two open positions right now, guys. I've got two open positions long with Apex. Let's see if we hit it, guys, man. Or are we going to pull back here? Come on, just hit it, man. How hard can that be? 275? I thought we already hit it. Why am I not getting filled on the other one? Oh man, look at this, guys. Pretty close. Oh, there we go, man. He hit it. Damn it. It's pretty close. And I've got the last piece of a puzzle account. Looking for a bounce here, guys. Let's see if we can curl back up again. I did not scale any of that crap now. If you get denied because of scaling anymore, I'm gonna be pissed. Holy mochaccino, everyone! Look at that bounce! Yeah, let's go, baby! Let's go!
Order working.
Oh shit, guys. Stock Tiger in trouble. Give it to me, hon. Get it up there! Yeah! Yeah! Wow, look at that push, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm going to leave it there. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Thank you, Moa. Thank you, everybody. This is just, oh, wow. Amazing, guys. As soon as you exit your trade, it's getting a pullback. Can this get any better, guys? Incredible. What a beautiful trade, guys. What a beautiful trade. I'll take it. I took a risk. I took my chances. And here I am, green on all my freaking Apex accounts, everyone. Let's go. Come on. Here I am. Here I am. Yeah, that was fun. You know, honestly, I don't really care what this market does now. It honestly truly means nothing to me at the moment. We've got 5 more minutes for this market to close, and if we get a squeeze, I mean, you know, I'm happy for this market, but it doesn't really mean anything. You know, I've got everything that I need right now. You know, I traded my funded futures, I traded my funding ticks. I've got the max profits on this funding ticks. I've got the max profit. Oh, the only thing is I haven't traded one of my pro account, which is fine. Not the end of the world. I will do it some of the time. But I'm getting pretty close to a few other evals in the pass mode. Apex traded all the accounts, and I haven't scaled any of this freaking accounts. So looks so far great. What a beautiful way to end the day. Everything in green. And yeah, man, Bulanox as well. 4 master accounts all in green as well. Even Tradify Growth Challenge, it's $500 on each of these accounts. I'll take it, guys, man. I'll take it. The only thing that's down today is the XFA, and this is the account that I've been having for the longest time ever. And finally, we are down today. And is this something bad? No. You know, I'm gonna put a. I kind of feel like, you know, I've done everything I could for this account. Unfortunately, today was the kind of a day that I had to bring it down. Maybe put this to bed. You know, I'm gonna try to curl back up again. I'll try, but I just don't have the energy, you know what I mean? I just don't have the I don't know, the what it takes to kind of like push it back up again. We'll give it a try. You know, you guys are asking me to suggesting to not give up on this account, so I'm gonna try my level best. We'll see how it goes in the next few days. I'll try to make $150 in every single trade and look to call back up again. We'll see, guys. But one first red day after a long freaking time. That's a long freaking time, guys. That's a long freaking time. July was a long time ago, you know what I mean? Like, we're now in September and this is in July. I've been trading this since July, and this is the longest I've been having a top step account this far. It's definitely a pretty remarkable journey, I would say. Unfortunately, I'm down today. Am I gonna cry about it? No, I'm happy. I didn't lose this account so far, still yet, but still down on one day. But not the end of the world. I've been holding this account for as long as I can, so I'm a happy camper. Everything else looks pretty good. My Bulanox, my Tradify. We are getting a squeeze, guys, man, towards the end of the day, which is incredible. Wow, look at this squeeze. It keeps going here, guys. We talked about this as well last night, that I do see this market bouncing. And guess what? This is what I said. I drew this level here yesterday at night. I drew this level here. I drew this little box here last night. And I said we could see this market push into this zone in the next few days. And it's there now. I don't know what next. Honestly, I have no idea, man. Right now we're kind of like all-time high again, back again. 306. That's incredible. So I kind of feel like, you know, if I have to make a little bit of a guess, I kind of feel like the next few days into the FOMC is when I think the market's gonna try and chop, but to have a slow grind to the upside, and then FOMC will be the catalyst to kind of like push this market down and start to create this big volatility of a, say, lower high, pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump, you know, and maybe that could last for like a couple of weeks or a couple of months, I don't know. But with that in mind, I'm gonna have to trade accordingly. I'm gonna try and, you know, it's kind of late to the party now, so it's gonna be hard for me to reload combines, but I'm gonna try and buy a few combines to start today, into tomorrow, and try to see if I can actually get to some couple XFA by Wednesday, and that's the FOMC, right? So because I really do want to use one of my accounts that I can trade during the news and try to see if I can bank as much as I can. So I kind of feel like XFA could be the one to do it. We'll find out, guys. A lot of stuff to do now, a lot of works. Market hits the all-time new high. Now we're getting a little pullback here, but honestly, it doesn't really matter. I've done my trades today, and this is all that matters. All the accounts are traded now, looking good so far. So we'll come back a little bit later tonight during the Asian market, 6 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a great rest of the day. I hope all of you had a great day so far. If not, then hey man, do not feel bad. It's not the last day of the month. We still have long ways to go. Be patient. We'll see you guys back tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern time. Everybody have a great rest of the day. Afternoon, have a great lunch. We'll see you guys back tonight, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless and peace.